What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Serotonin by Nick D. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else your mom's a hoe. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video. But for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. So the song has one riff that just repeats throughout the entire song, and what I'm going to do here is I'm going to show you your finger formations, and then I'm going to play along very slowly to it with the tab on screen, so you can, because I think that's going to be the easiest way for you to see what it looks like while seeing the tab as well. So the first formation is just going to be your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the A string and your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the D string, and you will be removing that middle finger to play the D string open as well. In your second formation, same exact thing. You're just going to have your index finger on the 1st fret of the low E string. So it's and. So now I'm going to play the whole riff super slowly with the tabs on screen so you can see what it looks like. Here it is. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Don't forget to follow me on social media. It's at Billy Schultz Music on all social media platforms. Don't forget to check the video descriptions for the guitar tab if there's a guitar tab, or for a free CAPO or a free ebook. You can click here for how to win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.